What's up guys, it's Rick. Welcome to Crown Rick Auto, the channel where we search decommissioned police cars for goodies, weapons, equipment, and of course we're looking for a gun. Right here I bought this 2010 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. I know what you're thinking, why would you buy this piece of junk? Well, see, where people see junk, I see beauty. There is all kinds of good parts in this car. I mean, there is an engine, there's a transmission. The only reason this car was taken out of commission was because it was in an accident right here. Looks like it was T-boned, so the frame is no good, but there is very nice tires. There's a center console, there's a prisoner seat, there's seat belts. Who knows what kind of goodies I'll find in here after I take this apart. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me for the ride. Before we get to that, I want to show you what else I bought at the auction. I bought this 2002 Ford F-150 XL Caltrans truck. Look at that. This is a beauty. It came with all the working lights. This thing runs like a champ. I also bought these two Explorers over here. I got the lieutenant right now searching them and gutting them for goodies. This is what he found so far. Look what we just pulled out. Motorcycle, right? I think.
Yeah, it's for a Harley Davidson. Little mini
streamlight.
Yeah.
Does it work?
Yeah, it does. I think I just need to replace the batteries.
Oh, nice. This is for a baton, meth tester, breathalyzer, and a bullet. All right, let's get started. Already, I found something that I need. I need this right here because mine has a hole in it. Some antenna wiring. And earlier, I tucked this under here so nobody will steal it. Looks like a Motorola camera, front dash camera. An antenna cap. All right, we have a nice center console here. I mean, of course, it needs a little restoring, but it could be done. Ooh, what is this? Monument Private Security. Okay, well, this is definitely not a security car. This looks like telex. It's like a radio piece. Start putting everything up here. Here goes another radio piece. And here goes the rest of it. Stone Mountain. Cool.
Hey! Jackie reporting for duty, sir.
Oh, well, you don't have to do that. So how you doing? I'm Rick. You're Jackie. I've been texting you, right?
Yes, sir.
And you're looking to join the Crownrickauto force?
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, I have one question for you. What makes you think you're good enough? Whoa, okay. I'm kidding. So, do you like minions?
No.
Okay, you're hired. Okay, security girl. This is gonna be your vehicle for today. Here's the key for it. Now, I want you to go ahead and patrol the whole perimeter.
Yes,
and
sir.
You got one job. Get them loyalists.
Yes, sir.
Get him. Now it's time to remove the seat. Hey. Fingerprint pad. Lash. It's one of those Secret Service earpieces. A baton belt piece by Surefire. Some sort of tool. Like a car escape tool or something. Oh, since this is already cracked, I guess I could test this out. There's more pieces in here, but this thing is super rusted inside, so I cannot for the life of me get these out. Okay, trying to remove the center console, and gonna have to clip all those real quick before I get this out. Half hour of chopping, I got it out. This will be restored, of course. All right, let's keep looking. What the heck is this? Tint meter model 400. Hold on. You're looking. Low battery. Okay, let's see if we can get this to work real quick. It's a tint meter model 400. It is illegal to have tint that's too dark in the passenger and driver side. So it's magnetic. Turn it on and it, okay, It said 100 is clear glass. Okay, I think the battery's too low for this thing. And look at this, guys. Looks like they cut out the door to remove the Kevlar bulletproof panel, which is kind of dumb. They should have left it behind for me. All right, we're in the back now. Looks like some old badge holder for a round badge. Puddle of chocolate milk. The heck is this? Dope. Some chewed up hard mask. SWAT or some type of bulletproof mask. Stick to the end. I'm gonna go test this out. I'm gonna call up my buddy with a gun. We're gonna test this out. What the hell's going on over here? Oh. Funny man. What happened?
He ate my damn sandwich. The evidence is right here.
Oh my goodness. You know what? Funny, look, funny man, you cannot be going around eating people's sandwiches.
While he was pulling into the spot.
That's what you get, funny man. Should never eat people's sandwiches, ever. Well, what do we have here? Old moldy weed. It don't smell like nothing. All right, let's get to the back. Shopping cart safety seats. I didn't even know they made those. All right, let's get in here. It's like some light bar parts. Hideaway lights. I gotta test these out. I gotta make some cuts first. License plates. These didn't belong to this car, that's for sure. An antenna. Some sort of magnet or something. Holy crap. Ah. That is freaking strong magnet. Oh, somebody can get hurt with that thing. Fire extinguisher holder. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and test out that bulletproof mask. So I'm gonna need you to put it on. I'm gonna shoot it. Just kidding. No. That's why we have the funny man. We're gonna put it on him and then we're gonna test it out. You up for it?
Hell yeah.
Let's do it. We're driving over to the spot to shoot the bulletproof mask. We got this little minion here. We're going out to the woods where it's safe and legal. So funny man volunteered to get to test out the mask. It's okay, funny man. Yeah. I appreciate you volunteering.
Go.
That's pretty good. All right, let's check out the damage. Let's see how bulletproof this thing really is. That's good aim. Oh shit. That really is bulletproof. I don't know about his eyes.
I think I got him like right here.
But pretty much if this was a person, but they'd still be alive.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, just wow. Now this guy volunteered. All right, okay. Okay, so the specialist is here, so we're gonna go ahead and go greet him real quick.
Yo, I heard some gunshots. What's going on?
Yep, that was us, man. What's up, specialist?
What's happening, man?
You're just in time for the action. Let's
What
go.
you guys shooting up now?
You're not gonna believe it till you see it.
All right, let's look at it. All right, let me know when.
Okay, go ahead. Holy crap! Oh my goodness.
How come we both shot the eyes?
You guys got good aim. Look at that.